Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So here at the Florida location, we just finished up Eddie's 2025 Road Glide, brand new bike. Eddie went down on his street glide. Luckily, he was a little hurt, but luckily he was able to walk away. We transferred most of the audio from his old bike to his new bike. We used a Zen A to B interface with built-in DSP because we were short on space in the fairing. Once we transitioned over his two sound digital evox 800.4s, we did the 3000.1 in the tour pack. We reused his Beyma 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. We sealed and ported the factory saddlebags, and we added an extra 3 layers of reinforcement of fiberglass on the back wall of the bags. We braced them. We went with Dirty Bird 8-inch lids with NVS Audio 8-inch speakers in the lids and NVS Audio high-res tweeters also in the lids. In the front grills, we went with NVS Audio high-res tweeters and Beyma carbon fiber 6.5s in the fairing. Bike sounded good on his street glide, so we knew it was going to sound good on his new road glide. The tuning's a little trickier because of the A to B interface and the factory amplifier that we removed, but we had to modify the headlight and we had to modify the radio bracket to get the two 800s and the A to B to fit, but it came out amazing. The bike sounds phenomenal. Check it out.
Déjame solo vivir esta vida que sabe a ternura. Por más que llores, que ruegues, no pienso romper mi atadura. Esa mujer que te ofende es tan fácil, limpió mis heridas, volvió a levantarme del suelo donde tú me dejaste. Esa mujer que tú llamas infame merece respeto por ser debutante en el hecho.
Stop singing, no, no, that's a rough rider's roll. I'm going down, down, baby, on the street in the rain, on the street, sweep the baby, cock ready to let it go. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa wood, listen to the pound, light it up and take a puff, pass it to me now. I got that wood grain with the leather seats. I got the window so dark you need a flash. I just see me smoking on that Doja, four of my buddies in the back screaming, no limit soldiers. 1, 2, 3 into the full stool, doggy, doggy, Dr. Dre is at the door. But it'll make an entrance, so I'm back on up. Cause you know we about to rip stuff up. Give it a microphone first so I can bust it like a bubble. And I ain't nasty, all the man, you know you in trouble. It ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. You're locked out, people so crazy. Remember walking you from school and homies hate me. But I ain't tripping cause I know I need girl, you be my lady. You probably have my babies. I know it sounds crazy, but thugs need love. Girl, save me. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the morning. Get up, get up, get up. Case I'm chasing, get up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the morning. Get up, get up, get up. Everybody saying, yeah, we too tired till it's time. We too tired. So I can get the stomping in my Air Force Ones. Get stomping in my Air Force Ones. Saying go 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. Yeah, we can go to the park after dawn, we can smoke and talk.
imaginé que hoy han venido a escuchar lo mejor del repertorio. A ustedes voy a brindar y canto a la vida de risas y penas, de momentos malos y de cosas buenas. Vinieron a divertirse y pagaron en la puerta. No hay tiempo para tristeza, vamos cantante, comienza. Me para siempre en la calle.
First things first, I pop freaks all the honeys, dummies, playboy bunnies, those wanting money. Those the ones I like, cause they don't get Nathan but penetration. Unless it smells like sanitation. Blah I turn like doorknobs. Heart throb never, black and ugly as ever. However, I stay Gucci down to the socks. Rings and watch filled with rocks. And my jam knocking in Mitsubishi. Girls pee when they see me, never.